If you need to transcribe Swahili audio into text or subtitles quickly and accurately, this tutorial will show you exactly how to do it using ElevenLabs Scribe. Whether you have a podcast, interview, meeting, voice note, or video file, this method makes it easy to turn your Swahili audio into clean text or downloadable subtitle files in just a few steps. And if this video helps you, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more simple software tutorials. Let's get into it. First, open ElevenLabs and go to the speech-to-text section. From there, click Transcribe Files. This is the area where you can upload your audio or video and start the transcription process. You can use common file types like MP3, WAV, M4A, or even MP4, so you do not need to convert your file first. Now upload your Swahili audio file. Once the file is uploaded, move into the settings before you start transcribing. In the language option, select Swahili if it is available, or use auto-detect if you want the tool to detect the language automatically. If your audio is definitely Swahili, choosing the language directly can help improve the accuracy. Next, if you want subtitles, make sure you turn on Include Subtitles. This is important if your goal is to export caption files later. If your audio includes more than one person, turn on speaker diarization and set the maximum number of speakers. That helps ElevenLabs separate who is talking during interviews, meetings, or group conversations. You can also switch on audio events if you want the transcript to tag sounds like laughter, coughing, applause, or other background moments. Once your settings are ready, click Transcribe. ElevenLabs uses parallel processing, so the file should process fairly quickly depending on its length. After the transcription is complete, review everything in the subtitle editor. This is where you can check the text alongside the audio timeline, make corrections, and clean up any parts that need editing. When the transcript looks good, it is time to export. If you want a regular text version, you can download it as TXT, PDF, or DOCX. If you need subtitles, export as SRT or VTT so you get time-stamped subtitle files that can be used in editing software or uploaded directly to platforms that support captions. And that is how you auto-transcribe Swahili audio into text or subtitles using ElevenLabs Scribe. It is fast, practical, and a great workflow if you want to save time while making your content more accessible. If this tutorial helped, please like the video and subscribe for more helpful walkthroughs just like this one.